everyone, today we're diving into a full menu tour of the Parrot ANAFI USA using the Free Flight 6 app. On the main screen, you'll have your live camera feed, flight stats, and quick access to your central controls. In the camera menu, you can adjust resolution, frame rate, and switch between standard and thermal imaging. You can also enable dual overlay for blended thermal visuals. Next, we've got the flight settings. You can customize max altitude, geofence limits, and set return to home preferences. Advanced users can fine-tune controls, adjust gimbal speed, and even set up mapping or inspection modes. You can also plan precise missions with waypoints mode, define routes, altitudes, and actions all in advance. And you can access your media gallery directly, where you can review, download, or share photos and videos from the ANAFI USA. When flying your drone, keep an eye on battery life, GPS strength, and other critical data at all times. And you can easily switch between manual control and automated flight modes for effortless shots. That's the Parrot ANAFI USA, lightweight, versatile, and built to perform. Ready to elevate your missions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome drone content. Happy flying!